IslamBasics.com Adam Sif Ibn Abbas and a group of companions of the Prophet Pbuh narrated that when Iblis was sent out of paradise and Adam was accommodated therein, Adam was alone in paradise and did not have a partner from whom he could get tranquility. He slept for some time, and when he woke up, he saw a woman whom Allah had created from his ribs. So he asked her, "Who are you?" She replied, "A woman." He asked, "Why have you been created?" She said, "So that you could find tranquility in me." The angels, trying to find out the extent of his knowledge, asked him, "What is your name, O Adam?" He replied, "Eve." They asked, "Why was she so named?"